Ship of Theseus, thank you. I'll have to look that up.
Hey, I did pretty good. Hey, 30-39 on my second game of controller. I'm doing pretty good, no?
Both are good. Oh! Hey! Yeah! You just got rickrolled. You just got rickrolled, bitch. Hey, yeah, bitch. Hey. Get your rickroll on. Get your rickroll on. Okay. Alright. Okay.
We're no strangers to love.
Wow.
You know the rules, and so do I. Woo! A full commitment's what I'm thinking of. Wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just want to tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
On just one of these in your career. Apple has been very fortunate. It has been able to introduce a few of these into the world. 1984, we introduced the Macintosh. It didn't just change Apple. It changed the whole computer industry.
She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers. Dream about the day, then you finally wake up and find that you're looking for has been fucked. You're the whole time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands you.
What do I think about Forsen? It's one of the OG streamers. Probably has a streamer rating of at least 2700.
Also, for anybody who's all up in my comments like, oh, look at this photo you posted. Look at this photo you posted. What about Maya? Literally makes the most wholesome content on earth and still deals with the exact same issues as me. Like, it makes no difference what you post or what you do. Also, people can post whatever they want, and that still means that you need their consent to do certain things, including sexualizing them and then profiting off of it. Are you? You know what? I should chill. I should chill.
Are our friends. The website has like a lot of the website, which is now taken down, which is why I have less of an issue talking about it at this point. Website's gone. All of the fake deepfake shit is taken down by the creator himself. But you know,
Had this. Okay, I just have to say, guys, the blackest member in OTK, ExtraEmily, welcome, welcome. Thank you. That was amazing. Thank you, Emily. Welcome. We needed that. We needed that.
Mark Hasan MILF Manor Mansion. What the fuck is this?
Hey Hasan, it's Disco Mommy from MILF Manor. I want to tell you happy Valentine's Day. I heard you have an amazing heart of gold. You love fitness, you love working out, and maybe you just haven't found that significant other yet. And my advice to you is just be patient. Don't waste too much time on something that you know is not meant for you. I think whatever you want in your heart, you will actually attract, but the more you think on what you don't have, the more you won't have it. So focus on something positive. Make sure you're making the most out of every single day of your life. Enjoy life, and it will finally come when you least expect it. So have the most amazing Valentine's Day, and stay tuned, and hopefully you watch tonight.
Oh my God. Oh, I wish she gave us a spoiler about who she's gonna fuck. You know what I mean?
Excuse me? I don't need help from anyone, especially you. Okay? And I have my beautiful girlfriend with me right now.
Cause what? I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall.
College? Didn't you just go to UC Davis? Why is that a punch? It's a great fucking school. I swear to God. Why is that a punchline? Like, you guys act like it's like the worst. It's really hard to get into UC Davis. Don't do +2. It's a hard school. It's really, really difficult to get in. Was that your target school? I mean, no. I want to go to Berkeley. But, you know, I had to settle. You know, just sort of like how you guys want to watch Clint and you had to settle. Am I wrong? Oh my God, I'm the UC Davis of streamers. Oh shit. Oh fuck. That's horrible news. Oh no.
That singular person that is on the lower path, and I would raise that person onto the first track, and I would lay down on the track with the other people, and I would do nothing and let the trolley run over all of us, and I'm a puppet. I have lived a very long time, and I'll be fine. I will have no moral quandaries. What are morals, huh, to a puppet?
Won't it squish you though, Principal Puppet?
No, I'm very soft. Look at me. Look at me. I'm very
Can
squishy.
I feel?
Yes, come here. Come here. Come here. Soft. Feel me. Feel me. Yes.
You are pretty soft.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you...
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. No, come back. No, wait. Come on, we got to do a...
Shake your hand. Thank you for joining us.
Of course.
Principal
Of course.
Puppet.
And we have to do our thing. We have to... Come on. Come here. Come on.
Okay.
Okay.